Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Matt Bogosian, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of a neighborhood that is located in South Franklin. And when I say South Franklin, it is like the very south side of Franklin. I am riding on 431 South. I just went under 8 or past 840 and under 65. And this is, let's see here, I've actually never been in this neighborhood. I just have to confess. I don't know why. It's just one of those neighborhoods that, like, there's not a lot that comes up for sale, and the market was so hot. Franklin was so hard to buy homes in, but now I'm ready to check it out. This neighborhood is called Harpeth Woods. Check out the sizes of these lots. Oh my gosh, why have I not been in here sooner? So, as you can see, these aren't new houses. I believe these were built like in the 90s and 2000s. And I'm sure there's a couple maybe that were even built before that. They're all on 1 acre or larger lots, or most of them. And that's the appeal. And they're beautiful. Oh my gosh. Why haven't I gone in here before? Really, like, these are the type of neighborhoods, if you tried to buy a house in here last year, it would be like a frenzy. People just wanted these houses with yards like this. They don't hardly make neighborhoods like this anymore, and when they do, they've got mansions on them and people just can't afford them. So it's a beautiful house. I love, he's out on his zero turn. Let's take a left on Pete's Place. Oh my gosh, I like the name of that street, Pete's Place. Look at all these beautiful trees in the front yard. Got some homes to the right down there. Look at this quiet cul-de-sac. And this is in a really great location. You're just minutes from I-840. Oh, he's got a separate garage. He's even got a tractor. Yeah, buddy. I have a tractor. It's like my favorite thing. I remember when my oldest son was little, there was this YouTube video we would watch with him, and it was like, I think it was like My Little Green Tractor, something like that, and it was about John Deere tractors for kids. It was so cool, and he loved it. I love the feel of this neighborhood. It's bigger than I thought, too. I thought it would be tiny. Well, now in saying that, look, we came to the end. This guy's got it made back here. There's nothing back here. Future through street, subject to extension. Wow. But right now, it's a pretty small neighborhood. I mean, that... Let's go back. I think there's some streets I missed. I've seen a few 3-car garages too. That home had a 3-car garage. I guess I'm just surprised by that because I didn't know back in the day that people got 3-car garages. Wow, I'm loving these houses. I know I'm saying that, guys. Sometimes I just ramble when I'm doing these videos because I'm looking around. I'm trying to check out the houses, see what everything looks like. Looks like they got some kind of renovation going on over there. That's a nice one. I love the wood fence, and I think he backs up to like some kind of field or farm back there. Oh, I bet that's beautiful. Harpeth Woods, guys. If you ever see a home come up for sale in here, jump on it. What a beautiful neighborhood. I tried to look up pricing. There's not really been a lot of sales here, and there's quite a different like variation of home sizes. So, and this is just a dead end right here. But with these size lots and the location, and it's in here, it's in Franklin, these are great. You're probably looking at every bit of, you know, 800. Future Through Street. There's a farm back there though. Really cool. So, I mean, probably 700 up. The sky's the limit. I mean, if there's a really nicely redone home in here sitting on 2 acres with an extra garage like that, I mean, it's going to be over $1 million. Oh, look at that. That guy did it right. So there you go, guys. This neighborhood is called Harpeth Woods. I hope you enjoyed that tour. Please give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and if you're thinking about moving here, I am a real estate agent. Click on the link in the description below and schedule a 15-minute consultation call with me, and we could talk about the different options that you have, what you're looking for, and just try to get you set up with the very best home for you. All right, guys, thanks. See you next time. Bye.